There's growing calls to leave the European Convention on Human Rights to fix the asylum crisis. But what if that would do absolutely nothing to solve the problem? The list of people calling for reform is getting more distinguished by the day. We've had former Supreme Court justices, ex-Home Secretaries, grandees from all parties. They're arguing that for as long as we're signed up, as things stand, we can't really control our borders. It's a simple, radical message, but it risks making a bit of a big mistake. You see, the problem isn't the Convention of Human Rights, it's the 1951 Refugee Convention. The ECHR says nothing about who comes to Britain or who gets to stay. It's the Refugee Convention that obliges Britain to settle anybody with a well-founded fear of persecution. That's the definition. Those words were written, designed for a pre-war era. But today, that definition covers a vast portion of the world's population. That's why it's become the founding charter for the people smuggling industry. They can claim that there's a legal right to settle anybody who gets to the country. All you need to do is to pay the traffickers. Now, for years, politicians have found it convenient to point to judges in Strasbourg to blame the basically failure of their own reforms, but the idea of rule by lawyers is actually a myth. The truth is that British Parliament is supreme. It could pass any law it wants tomorrow. So the failure isn't legal. The failure is political.